how to add bullets in Excel. So if you want to add bullets in Excel, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Excel sheet, make sure that you have an internet connection. After opening your Excel sheet, you just need to simply go with the cell. And as you can see that if I type something in these cells, I have the bullet points. So if you want to have these bullet points, then what you need to do is just select the cells in which you would like to have the bullet points. And after that, you need to right click on it and go with Format Cells. Under Format Cells, you need to go with Custom. Now under Custom, you need to remove this General and you need to press Windows and full stop key together. Once you press that, you will have this kind of interface. The emojis will be appeared. Now from the emojis, you just need to simply go with the symbol section. Under symbols, you need to just scroll down and then find a bullet symbol. So I have the bullet symbol right here. Click on the bullet symbol. Once you click on it, here you will get the bullet symbol. Now you need to remove this and give it a space and press @ go with OK. Now if you enter something here, then you will have your bullet points. That's how you can add bullets in Excel, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.